See that. Okay, so this is a quick video on how to load and use a PASLODE gun. So there is 3 elements to this. My understanding is we've got the battery. Now there is an on and off switch, so what you do is you put the battery in, first click is still off, you've got to push it all the way in to activate the gun. And then once you got that, you've got an energy start button, so you can check to see what your battery levels are, and I think what your gas levels are as well. I think that's your gas levels. On this side of the gun, you've got where your nail cartridges go in. So you'll put your nails in. Obviously, there's a specific way of inserting your nails. So your nails need to be pointing the same way as the gun, but as you can see, this way will not activate because all the nails are pointing down. They need to be pointing up. So when you push the nails in, I've already got a set of nails in there. You've then got this trigger. You pull that down, and that will hold the nails in place. So as the nails fire, that keeps pushing them up and up, so it keeps retracting. Once you've got that all set, you've got your battery in the off mode. You can then insert your gas, so you'll need to take the cover, so it'll come like that. Take the cover off, and then you need to put your gas in, turn it, and then click it in. And then once it's clicked in, you can then check your charge levels. Click your battery in, then check your charge levels, and that will tell you. So this one's fully gassed. Once the nails are correctly inserted, what will happen is this will pull back, allowing you to fire your nail. So now that that's done, what we can do is put it on the Tesla. So as you can see, I can pop it in there, and let's fire the nail straight in. And you can see, hopefully, yes, as you can see, that nail's gone straight through and set nice and deep into that. So now we can start our framing. So that is basically how to use a PASLODE gun. When you're not using it, just remove the battery pack, and that will switch the machine off. So just click it out once, and then it will go into the off mode, and then you're good to go. So yeah, that's pretty much how you use it, and that will just keep it loaded and firing up. So let's go.